All right, let's dive straight into this explainer today because the source document we're looking at strictly forbids slow, boring introductions. It literally tells us to skip the pleasantries and jump right into the hook. Today, we are unpacking a truly fascinating blueprint. It's essentially a masterclass in engineering digital attention. We're looking at a highly specific prompt that was custom designed to generate a viral, retention-optimized script all about AI agents.
Just listen to this brilliant quote. This is the exact opening hook demanded by the blueprint, and it's designed to instantly manufacture excitement and mystery. The goal here isn't just to inform you, no, it's to grab you by the collar within the first 10 to 15 seconds. It completely bypasses all the boring technical realities and immediately sells you on this wild, futuristic dream.
So you gotta wonder, how exactly do you engineer a script to make an explainer like this go completely viral? Well, we are going to use the exact rules, pacing, and curiosity gaps outlined in this blueprint to decode the blueprint itself. I know, it's a little bit meta. We're basically hacking our own attention spans here, but it reveals the precise psychological triggers and structural rules that top-performing tech channels use to keep you glued to your screen right up to the very last second.
Okay, moving right along to Section 1, defining the sleepless agent. Let's look at this sleepless automation. Now, the absolutely crucial distinction here is making it crystal clear that this isn't just your standard piece of software that, helps you work. It's an independent entity that actually works for you while you're asleep. We have to quickly establish what an AI agent is and why these tools are absolutely exploding in popularity right now by highlighting how they automate real-world, everyday workflows.
Right, let's hit Section 2, showcasing automated workflows, highlighting the features. To prove this tech is the real deal, the strategy demands we rapidly fire off practical use cases. We're talking tasks an AI agent can fully automate for an online business: writing content, replying to emails, researching information, managing workflows, scheduling posts, generating ideas. It's a rapid-fire list, and it's totally designed to overwhelm the viewer with the sheer, undeniable utility of the tool, hitting on almost every painful, repetitive task we do daily.
But get this, it doesn't stop at just listing tasks. For every single feature shown, the blueprint requires an exact 4-step sequence. First, you explain what the tool does. Second, you show practical use cases. Third, you detail the exact amount of time saved. And fourth, this is key, you must include emotional reactions. You have to reveal these unexpected strengths to really drive the value home and compare it to how humans normally work.
Which brings us to Section 3, mastering the retention strategy, engineering that watch time.
This part is absolutely fascinating. It perfectly illustrates the strict retention strategy you have to follow. You must hit the audience with a mini cliffhanger every 20 to 30 seconds. At the 20-second mark, you tease a crazier feature coming later. At 40 seconds, you're actively creating suspense. And by 60 seconds, you're dropping a line like, "But this is where things got really scary." It is a highly calculated formula, so your brain literally never gets bored. The text literally hands you the exact phrases to manufacture these emotional reactions. Using a prescribed line like, "I honestly didn't expect the AI to do this," acts as a powerful linguistic hook. It pulls the audience right back into the narrative, just as their attention might naturally start to drift away. It's so smart. And to pull this off without sounding like a robot, the delivery has to sound human, conversational, and fun. The script style rules are absolute here. You've got to use short, punchy sentences. The delivery has to feel fast-paced and cinematic. The tone, natural and modern. The source even insists on throwing in occasional humor and strictly forbids using repetitive wording. It has to feel like you are discovering the future of work alongside a buddy. But it's not just about the words. This pacing is supercharged by specific visual and editing requirements. We're talking futuristic AI visuals, snappy workflow animations, and real screen recordings. But it also mandates zoom effects, glitch transitions, dramatic sound effects, and moments of suspenseful music. It's basically an audio-visual assault designed to maintain absolute, unwavering engagement from the viewer. Okay, Section 4, the AI showdown. Let's look at the comparison section. Here is where you prove, beyond a shadow of a doubt, why AI agents are vastly superior to standard chatbots. You have to lay out a direct comparison. AI agents up against normal AI chatbots, human assistants, and traditional workflows. The whole goal is to explain why an independent AI agent is a massive leap forward compared to a tool where you have to sit there and manually prompt every single action. And finally, Section 5, the ultimate call to action. the wrap-up sequence. You can't just leave people hanging, right? The script must resolve the suspense by answering 3 major thematic questions. After keeping the viewer on the edge of their seat this whole time, you finally reveal: are these agents truly useful right now? Who specifically should start using them today? And the big one, the overarching question of the entire topic: will AI agents actually replace human jobs in the future? Then boom, you hit them with this precise call to action. This exact phrasing is provided in the blueprint to maximize engagement by creating a real sense of urgency. Asking viewers to comment on what tasks they'd hand over to an AI drives immediate interaction. And telling them to subscribe because AI is evolving faster than most people realize, that totally leverages FOMO, the fear of missing out, to lock in a loyal follower. But wait, the perfect script is totally useless if nobody clicks on it, right? So the strategy is fully optimized for click-through rates from the jump. It requires the generation of 5 viral title variations, thumbnail text ideas, specific visual scenes for those thumbnails, notes on the best audience retention moments, and even suggestions for background music. Literally every single element of the viewer's experience is completely engineered. So, keeping in line with the source material's strict demand for a powerful ending, are you ready for a future that works while you sleep? We've just unpacked the exact architecture used to make these concepts go viral. Now, as you consider the sheer, automated capability outlined in this blueprint, you really have to ask yourself, will AI agents truly replace human jobs in the future? I gotta say, it's a question worth losing a little bit of sleep over.